We did receive quotes from quite a few. Some of them were pretty low, some of them were abnormally high. Amongst others, Sadi was more practical. He understood all our requirements. The price was also reasonable and quite affordable. Esteem, of course, delivered the product what we expected, or in fact more than what we really anticipated. Time frame wise, well, it has been very meticulously planned and programmed activities, so the job was done well within the time frame. Esteem, their communication channels were pretty good. We did exchange some photos, and then he used to send photos regarding what was the progress of work, and communication was pretty good. Apart from that, the Sadi was available for telephone calls for a predetermined time.
There were some watermarks that we observed, and we got to know that it should be from the bathroom upstairs. We thought we'd renovate it as it's pretty old. Well, there weren't any major issues at all. There was a small hiccup when we had decided to have a bigger vanity, but since it wouldn't fit in, Sadi came up with an excellent idea of getting a smaller vanity fitted in and a cabinet by the side. He was really professional in the way he executed the job.
Oh, very much so, because the job done was excellent, the planning was excellent, workmanship.
Well, I think Sadi conducted himself very professionally, and I definitely would recommend him to any of my relatives or friends.
Oh yeah, definitely so. Yes, more than happy.
100%.